Hi mga friend, Marian here. So let's continue studying the book of John Gray. What your mother couldn't tell and your father didn't know. So ano ba yung lesson natin today? Where is the woman I fell for? So because of our difference with our partner, so minsan hinahanap nila yung the woman that they first met. So parang nawala na tayo. No? So, kasi nga, we focus on yung the difference that we have, na kumbaga we are insisting on what the other person wants, where versus what we want. So kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng differences. But sabi nga ni John Gray, although these changes are largely unconscious, a man who doesn't understand that they may become resentful and fully hold back. Through using advanced relationship skills, he can become to bring back the woman he fell in love with. Kasi nga, parang minsan kasi what we need is not a solution. What we need is your listening skills or ano ba yan, time, no? But you're insisting to solve my problem. So kaya nagkakaroon ng differences. Parang, so although we still need that solution, but yun nga, parang there's a time for you to balance yung mga bagay-bagay and give us your personal time and we will be able to meet halfway. By learning to give his love in specific ways, a man can help his partner cope up and overcome these changes. Without this information, he will tend to react instinctively, and in most cases, he will only make things worse. Even though his intention is to help her love him better, she eventually began to pull away. So yun nga, parang you have to read between the lines also kung ano ba yung needs ng partner mo. Because they just need your time and attention, not really the solution. But of course, ako sabi ko na lagi, yung solution, we also need that. Yung helping hand, yung provision for the things that we need, aside sa time, parang assistance sa housework, and all the support that we need. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.